Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I was doing a video and talking about you can't use the interactive fill tool on two items. And it's not really perfect on this scenario, but on like this scenario, and one of my viewers or subscribers gave me a little tip that I didn't know was there. If we go and use the interactive fill tool on this item, and let's make the other part yellow. Now, if you wanted to copy that exact same thing over here, you could use the attribute eyedropper, but see what happens? Now the yellow's on the other end. But if you will grab that item with your interactive fill tool, you can go right here to reverse fill, which is basically going to mirror it to where the other one was. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for pointing that out. It's not going to work in every case because of the fact that if we just happen to do it right here, if we took I mean, it still works, but it's not perfect. We use this one and put it here. Now you can see that the orange is on that side. So we can grab the you have to make sure you click on that one and go to the interactive fill tool and then mirror it. And it does but it doesn't do a perfect job because the other fill was up here. So if everything's equal like it is in this case, it's going to work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.